What's up, guys? In this video, I will show you how much one of our team members has profited out of the signals that he is getting with Bitnals. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright, so this is Bitnals landing page, guys. Link will be in the description of the video. We've created an overview video before. You can go ahead and check out our channel, but let me go ahead and also glide through the website for those that are new. So elevate your trading experience. We are the top crypto signals provider, outperforming all major indices, making us the premier choice for traders seeing maximum return. And guys, you will definitely be surprised when I show you how much my teammate has gained just by getting all of the signal reports from Bitnals. So scrolling down, guys, you will see how they are performing. So with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. All right, and then what they offer, you could also click on this and get the reports. And then you would also see the testimonials from 5,000 plus traders that has used Bitnals for their trading signals already. So let me go ahead and scroll up. When you click on start trading, guys, so it will take you directly to their membership plan. So they have monthly, quarterly, and yearly. So monthly is $18.99. Quarterly is $43.99. So you save 40% out of that. And then for yearly, you have $149.99. You save 40%. And these are just change, guys, compared to how much you will gain out of all of the signals you could get out of Bitnals. So let me go ahead and show you how it looks like. So this is a screenshot of the email that I got from Bitnals. So this is the daily report. You will see the date there. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. All right. You will see the buy stop limit. Okay. You could go ahead and take note of that and then go to your preferred centralized exchange. Just go ahead and click on stop limit. Choose the crypto token that you are going to use. If it's Bitcoin, if it's Ethereum, or if it's Solana, and then click on stop limit and then put all the details that you got from the report in your email. So you would see here like the basis and all, and their performance records, stellar performance, guys. So you will see their performance records for Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Solana for the past 30 days, 365 days, and then year to date. So you would get all of those information, all right? And then you could go ahead and proceed with the trade right there. And then this is the best part, guys. Look at this one. You would see right here $5,585 of profit just by getting the signals from Bitnals. So you can go ahead and check them out. Don't forget to follow their socials, guys. They have their own YouTube channel as well. They have their Instagram here, and they also have a Twitter account that will always be updated when they have announcements, airdrops, or giveaways that they are doing. Do your own research, just like what we always recommend you to do so, but this is something that would definitely be beneficial in terms of your trading, just to give you, like, you know, additional insights when you're doing your technical analysis. If you want to validate that with other traders as well, then you could also get Bitnals and compare your technical analysis from what they are recommending. All right, if you are new to the channel, guys, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. And wait until the next screen. We've created a lot of videos that would definitely be beneficial for you in terms of your crypto trading. So that's it for now. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.